Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing while playing the game Hell Let Loose you are getting EAC error, whether it is game security violation detected or any kind of launch error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend to go ahead, launch Epic Launcher or Steam where your game is installed and you need to verify the integrity. To do so, go to the library, click on this three dot icon next to your game, choose the option manage, and over here click on the option verify to verify integrity of the game files. If you are using Steam, launch the Steam, go to the library, right click on your game and choose the option properties. In the installed files, you will find the option of verify integrity of the game files. Do the same, and once integrity is verified, try to relaunch the game. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. If you are using Epic, click on this three dot icon next to your game, choose the option manage, click on this folder icon to open the installation directory of the game. Now here open easy anti-cheat folder. Now here right click on easy anti-cheat setup and choose the option run as administrator. In case of Steam, again launch the Steam, right click on your game, go to the properties, installed files, and here click on the option browse to open the installation directory of the game. The directory would be same, it will show just as it is like this. So you need to open easy anti-cheat folder and install this easy anti-cheat EOS setup, and then go ahead try to relaunch the game to fix out the game security violation or EAC error while playing the game Hell Let Loose. If this method failed to work out, this anti-cheat folder is available, right click and choose option delete. Once it is deleted, go ahead and again you need to verify the game files. It will take some time as the game will go ahead and re-download the deleted folder, and once it is verified, relaunch the game to fix out the EAC error while playing the game Hell Let Loose. Although if all the methods fail to work out, you need to do a reinstallation of the game. Go ahead, uninstall the game and then reinstall it, and this will fix out the issue of EAC error while playing the game Hell Let Loose. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.